bloopers.
Hi guys,
Hey everyone.
welcome to the YouthGROW farm.
Come on in. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Jamie and I'm a junior staff, and I've been a junior staff for about 4 years now. And yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Jefferson and I'm a junior staff, and this is going to be my 3rd year in YouthGROW.
I was going to tell you a little bit more about the history about YouthGROW. So it all began in 2003, and so basically this was a dump site, so it was just a bunch of trash here. Yeah, neighbors would come and they would just dump all their trash here until one day on Earth Day, a group of volunteers decided to clean it up, and so they cleaned it up and they turned it into a garden, and as time went by it progressed and it became a program. So as years went by, we've been able to get state funding and donations, and with that we've been able to hire up to 40 youth till this year. And so we have 2 campuses. We have Main South, which is here, which is about half an acre, maybe a little bit smaller, and then we have a campus in Bell Hill, which is smaller. So we have 3 leadership positions in YouthGROW. So we have the junior staff position, which is the highest one. They work year-round, and we have the youth leaders. They get hired around like the spring, and then they help us plan for the summer. And we have the core youth, which is typically the 1st year youth. And yeah.
So every season we manage to grow about 3,500 pounds of food on both farms combined, and with that food we sell it at the mobile market, the farmers market, and some of it just goes to different youth. We give it to the youth themselves. YouthGROW program runs on the PLUS system, which is professional development, life skills, urban agriculture, and social justice.
I'm going to pass it on to Kieran, who's going to tell you a little bit more about the Westfields.
Kieran.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. My name is Kieran. I'm a youth leader. This is my 3rd year here, and this is the Westfield. So in this field, we have rainbow chard in the middle, and then over here we have eggplant. There's like 3 or 2 different kinds of eggplants in this bed. I don't know how many yet, but I think there's 2. And then right here we have these scallions, and they look pretty big. We're gonna use these as like seedlings. Basically, take the seeds out of these and grow more scallions. That's why they're so big. And then over here we have lettuce. That is like, it's starting to sprout now, but it's not that big yet. But yeah, that's it for the Westfield. I'm gonna pass it to.
Hi guys, so we're going to be talking about the herb spiral. So this is the herb spiral. It has oregano and sage. So the way it's organized, that the herbs that need more sunlight or water are on the top of it, and the ones that need less sunlight and water are at the bottom. And right here we have the front beds. So the front beds, we have dill and cilantro. Okay, so this is the wash station. So the wash station is where we basically wash our produce at the end of the day, and also that's where we weigh our produce to get it ready for the mobile market and the farmers market. So now I'll pass it over to Simone.
Hey guys, so where I'm sitting next to is the cherry tree. Right there is our pear tree. Right there is our tent structure. So if you guys can see like the little fencing is where we're gonna start growing some squash and stuff. So yeah. And then right here we have our compost area. So right there we throw like vegetables, fruit scraps, or whatever, stuff that just like we don't need, or like it's like rotten, I guess, or it's bad. You can throw like paper, stuff that like degrades into the earth. You can't throw like meats and stuff like that because it doesn't like go with it or whatever. We turn it about every 2 weeks. So, yeah. Pass it over to Mia.
Oh.
Hi guys, my name is Tamia and I'm a youth leader and I've been working with YouthGROW for 3 years. So right here is a Northfield and we grow 2 types of kale here. We grow curly kale and Russian kale, and we also grow collard greens and okra. I'm gonna pass it to Calvin.
Hello, my name is Calvin. I'm a junior staff. I've been here for 5 years. This is our field. It goes by many names. Our Three Sisters, eggplant field, has just corn and beans. Over here we have some eggplant gilo. Another worker named Valeria. She grows them. And over here we got some jalapenos, bell peppers, and ají dulce. And then right here we got beans. We got some scallions all the way to the back. And then over here we got some beans, beets, and arugula, as you can see. Beautiful. And then we got pumpkin here, pumpkin over there, and then pumpkin over here. We got these arches that by the end of August, or like the end of September, August, October, this is going to be covered with pumpkin and it's going to look beautiful. Now we're going to the high tunnel. These two here were the low tunnels, like with the twin low tunnels. So this is the high tunnel. As you can see, this is where we start. This is our wheelbarrows. This is where we do some of our gathering. Over here we have basil, some pepper on the lines right here. This is pepper, basil, some eggplant over there, and then we got some cherry tomatoes along the right here. We got slicing tomato, and all this right here is all sliced tomato. That's it. Bye guys.
Guys, thank you for
Thank you
coming.
for coming.
Hey, can you reset that?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome to the farm.
Okay, this is the last time I'm actually going to do a thing. Every year we manage.
Okay, since